everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're having a great day wherever it is that you are. Things are going great over here. I mean, you know, some things could have gone a little bit better, but what are you gonna do? Most everything has been good, so that's a thumbs up from me. Anyway, I wanted to chat with you today because I wanted to follow up on some of the discussions we've had in the past couple weeks and let you know what to expect from the channel here in the near future. So, first and foremost, thank you to each and every one of you who have been patient with us when it comes to posting videos and making posts on the website. There have been a lot of things happening, a lot. And so our schedule hasn't been what we wanted it to be. In fact, there are even a few videos that we announced that we were going to be making and we didn't end up making because things got crazy. So we appreciate that you're like hanging in there with us as we kind of work through all this stuff. Don't worry, the videos will go up. We'll have those discussions, just didn't happen already. Also, you know that things have been crazy. I mentioned that I canceled my Disney trip, and that's true, but there's good reason for that. I said there was, and there is, and that's why we're chatting today. The good reason is that we're moving. So it's kind of a big announcement with not a whole lot of pomp and circumstance here in this video, but I did want to let you know that we are moving and we're moving relatively quickly. That's part of the craziness that's been happening over here. So long story short, here in the coming week, so next week, I believe, you're going to have a bunch of videos about moving here on the channel because I want to share that experience with you. And we're not just moving anywhere, we're moving to Orlando. Yeah, place that a lot of people want to move. And the home of Mickey Mouse. One of the homes, I guess, his East Coast home. So anyway, so we're moving to Orlando and we're going to be doing that here in the next week. And we want to take you along with us for a few different reasons. First of all, we're going to be driving, so we can knock out a lot of the content we've wanted to knock out about driving to Disney. So we're going to answer some questions. We're going to talk about some of the things that we do when driving to Disney, give you an idea of what that looks like for us. But we're also, you know, we're going to be talking about moving. We're going to be sharing our experience and talking to you about moving from Minnesota to Florida. So keep an eye out for that. Also, keep an eye out on the website. Posts will be posted to Facebook as well, so you can find links to that in the description down below, but you'll find stuff on there too. So that's what's coming in the next week. It's a lot. I know it's not the kind of content everyone wants to see. You know, not everyone's interested in moving to Florida, and that's totally fine. We're going to get back to Disney stuff shortly thereafter, so don't you worry about a thing. We're going to talk all about Disney stuff too. But next week, full week of moving videos, okay? Beyond that, we're getting right back into the Disney fun. We're going to talk about a bunch of stuff that I was planning on talking about during my trip anyway, so we're still doing a trip, but it's just not the same type of trip. And I want to just say real quick before I kind of wrap this up, because it's just supposed to be a quick update. I want you guys to feel confident that we're still going to answer the questions that some of you have about visiting Disney. I know that sometimes when you live in the general area, people can view Disney as a bit of a different thing, you know. I get that, but don't worry, we're still going to cover the topics from the perspective of someone who is traveling to Disney, because I often have family members travel to Disney as well too. So don't worry, okay? Same type of content, just more of it. That's what I'm trying to say. But that is all for now. Stay tuned for all the good stuff to come. We'll share updates with you and we'll talk more about all of this. So yeah. But until then, thanks for joining me for this quick update. I know it seems sudden, but it's really not as sudden as it seems, but you know, it is what it is. But yeah, have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you in the next one.